boosting booming communities, the Treasure Coast is about to get a new hospital.
Yeah, Florida Coast Medical Center is just days now from opening their doors, marking the first new hospital in that area in more than a decade.
Our Jack Wu just toured the more than $2 million project. He's in Port St. Lucie to show us. Jack?
Florida Coast Medical Center will soon be ready to serve St. Lucie and Martin County in times of need. I just got an up-close look at what services it can provide. Florida Coast Medical Center will open its doors on the Treasure Coast next week. A massive project bringing emergency and outpatient care to one of the fastest growing areas in the country. I met with the hospital's CEO.
It's not just one single company that drives the hospital. It's the community that ultimately carries it forward and will benefit from it in the future.
He then took me on a tour of all 185,000 square feet, starting with the operating rooms.
This is an unusual time where in 3 days you and I can't go past this red line without being sterile.
These ORs, equipped with new technology, green lighting to help surgeons fight fatigue.
This is a typical patient room,
which also has its own kind of specs, like phone chargers in the beds, avoiding the possibility that a patient may fall trying to reach their device. Nurses can also observe their patients from a window if needed.
You get accustomed to the evolution, and it just becomes normal. And so essentially that's what we're creating with all this tech, is a new normal. And we like to describe it as a new era of healthcare for the Treasure Coast.
While Sherrill emphasizes general care, the new outpatient wing will host specialists from around the Treasure Coast for unique needs.
This is the first medical office building of what will be 3 planned buildings. So we've got 26.5 acres here to grow.
Florida Coast Medical Center is officially opening at 9 o'clock Tuesday morning. We have a link to other services provided here on our website, CBS12.com. Reporting in Port St. Lucie, I'm Jack Wu, CBS 12 News.